Join in, solve the equation, find the value of x. Test yourself, pause the video, write down your answer, and watch till the end to find out if your answer is correct or not.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Damn!
Solution path overview.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Touch the like button if you had the correct answer. Join my community. Subscribe.
This mother don't miss.
No, he's good.
That mother don't miss.
Thank you for subscribing.
What does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000!
Touch the like button if you had the correct answer. Thanks for watching.
That was legitness.
Yeah, it was.